Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is thrifting for eBay, and I'm real happy with what I found. So let's start off with the biscuit plates. This is what we call biscuit plates in the South. I don't know about everybody else, but I got two of the white and two of the black rooster hens, whatever, hens. But they are Cracker Barrel Daybreak by Susan Wingate, and down here, you just put them beside your plate, and then you put your hot bread, your biscuit, your cornbread, whatever on it. So there was 4 of these to a set, so I went ahead and picked those up. Next, I picked up the Mini Epics Lord of the Rings Frodo Baggins, still in the box, brand new, hasn't been opened. So this will go on eBay. And then I fell in love with this Oriental plate. I have a few Oriental items already in there and some that have already sold, but these seem to be a hot commodity, so I'm picking them up when I can. And it is Kingdom of Thailand Royal Porcelain, and then something in Thai, which I can't read. All the rest of it's in Thai, so. And it says it is made in Thailand. It is a decorative art object. Rare color pigments may be toxic, not for food. So this is a decorative plate, of course. So I love it. I absolutely love all these plates like this. Next, I found these Gone with the Wind plates, and I found 3. And this one is a Question of Honor, plate number 22070. Let's see, 1989. So I got this one, and I got this one, which is Scarlett and Ashley After the War, 1988, and it is plate number 9625E, Gone with the Wind Golden Anniversary Series. And then the famous, this one, this thing just sets me off anyway. This one is plate number 14525A, The Burning of Atlanta, 1988. These artists were awesome. So let me set these up here. Next, I picked up Paw Patrol Book. Now, my boys have this book, so I saw it there, and I said I'll go ahead and get it and try listing it and see if it does any good. But it's the first look and find book, and actually Nicholas has already outgrown this, but Anthony's enjoying it now. But it's in excellent condition, no writing in it or anything, and it's heavy cardboard for little hands. So, and I do take a damp cloth with sanitizer and wipe down books and such. Anything for children I sanitize, but anything that I buy, I clean it and sanitize it before I put it on there. This is the Dreamworks Storytellers collection. It's a Friendship Adventures, and look how thick this book is. This is an awesome book. This is an awesome book for teachers too. This make a perfect classroom book. But just the graphics in here alone are extremely amazing. It goes through different storylines from different movies and such, or different characters, and emphasizes the friendships between the characters. So yeah, I really, really like this book. If I was still teaching, I would have this in my classroom. The graphics are just amazing, just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I mean, there's several different stories in here. Yeah, it's just awesome book, awesome graphics, and it looks brand new to me. So yeah, we got that one. And this one, I'm not sure if I'm going to list this or keep this, or make copies of things out of this for junk journal kits. This is The Lost Files of Nancy Drew. You got to see this book. these. I mean, it's just awesome, and it's the last will and testament of Joshua Crowley, and I'm not going to unwrap it, but it's a handwritten last will and testament. It's so neat the way they put everything in here. It's like they made a junk journal out of this huge book. Oh, it's like a pocket between the pages too. This is just cool. It is just too cool. But like I said, again, it's very thick. That's so cute. The many faces of Gay Marine. Oh, cool. How cool is this? It's really a very neat book. I just love it. I love the way it's made. I love everything about it. And it gives me some ideas for junk journals too. Oh look, here's a little tuck spot with a picture in it. My best friends, Bess and George. I mean, seriously, this whole thing is like a junk journal. These little tucks and spots and all in it. Flips. It's cool. Look at that little tiny booklet. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. If I list it on eBay, I will make some copies first because I want the ideas out of them. Yeah, it's just cool. It is just too cool. I mean, it is so neat the way they did this. I love it. So yeah, I'll look at it later, but just so much to it and so much detail. This is a super cool book. And every page has a surprise on it, so. But it really does, it gives you some ideas for junk journaling. And this one has, I do know this one has postcards in it because I peeked at that in the store. Ugh, don't break. Okay, then after these, ugh, they're heavy. I picked up a bag of Barbies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. None of them are clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4. None of them are clothes, but I have that situation in hand. And I haven't checked dates or anything on them yet. This one has a Ken in it too. But, picked up some DVDs. There's 4 in a bag. My DVDs seem to sell fast. And then I got this little thing of cards. Now, the boys won't get these for a simple reason. They'll get a few of them. Okay, they'll get this one because it's nothing too significant. Unless that's OJ's card, which never mind. And then they'll probably get this one. The half one will go on eBay. Oh look, that's battery operated. I have no idea what this is, but it's too cheap, so it'll go to the boys. Now this one has Tampa Bay on it, and I bought the whole pack for this truck. But see, it's got TV here, and it's a Ryder truck. Who but W.B. Mason products for the workplace since 1898, and I have no idea the significance of it, but I will do some research on it. And the back end opens up. But that is Tampa Bay symbol, so I'm not sure. Free same-day delivery, and here it says Ray's, which is Tampa Bay, official office supplier. So that's why I got this, because it was Tampa Bay Ray's. But yeah, that will go on eBay. That stuff sells fast. I got some little character bears. I got some more Barbies, and the Skippers, and the other one, I can't think of her name, but the other sister. And this one's kind of gross because it looks like her chest opens up. What? Let's check this out. What the heck is this? I have to do my research on this because her heart pulls out. Yeah. That's kind of gross. But look at her earrings. They're cool. And I always, you know, sanitize them all, clean them up, fix their hair. This is 1988. And she's got the wrong clothes, but I'll fix that, and I'll fix her hair. This is another one. And this is the same doll as this one, I do believe, but I think this is Skipper. Anyway, I've got the names to them in the other ones. Character bears. Barbie Clothes. So I got any of them I buy naked taken care of. I'll put these in a little thing of sanitizer and Dawn and let them soak overnight, and then hang them up to dry. But yeah, there's all kinds of Barbie clothes. 2 bags of Barbie clothes. Any character dolls. This is the Career Bear by Flash. All of these seem to sell real good. So, yeah, I picked that up. And more Barbie clothes. So, I'm going to be busy. Got my work cut out for me, but things are selling well on eBay. I'm enjoying it. It's relaxing to me. And I have gotten a lot of things out of the house by starting to sell on eBay. So I am going to be putting some journal kits with journal covers already made in the shop on eBay. So yeah, keep a watch out, because there's going to be some good deals going on in there craft-wise. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.